guys, welcome to my channel. This is a channel for healthy eating for cheap. I will be posting meal prep videos, I will be posting grocery shopping hauls. None of this at all is a challenge. It is a day-to-day. This is how we live. We're real people who need budgets. We're real people who actually need to go grocery shopping weekly, and we only have a small amount of money to do that. It's not a challenge of, ooh, let's go to Aldi and only spend $50 and see how much we can get. No, this is real people shopping, real people grocery shopping, all that fun stuff. So let's get started. So for my first video, I really wanted to do a typical Aldi haul that my mom and I do. For the most part, we like to go shopping every 3 days just because we live in an apartment. We don't have a lot of storage space in our refrigerator or our freezer, and we meal prep. For the most part, we only can have about 12 meals worth in the fridge and still have room for like milk and carrots and cottage cheese, stuff like that. We only typically meal prep for about 3 days worth. And for that, we also don't have a lot of room in our freezer. And I love the freezer vegetables that you just pop in the microwave for 5 minutes and you're done. Easy peasy. So with that, all right, introducing Goose and Maverick. They'll be in videos a lot. So with that, we like to go and get our meat and our vegetables. Typically, I like to stack up on vegetables in one grocery shopping trip just because they're typically 88 cents to $1 for one of those like decent sized bags of broccoli or mixed vegetables. Things that you just literally pop in the freezer, pull out of the freezer, and put into the microwave when you're ready to eat it. Those are the best when it comes to meal prepping, but we'll get to that in a minute. We usually like to go grocery shopping every 3 days. Lately, we've been going to Aldi, which I don't know if you know this, they have some great deals. And not only that, you're paying cheaper prices and you're not compromising the quality. And honestly, I freaking love Aldi. I'm not even kidding you. Like, it's legit. The only thing I hate about it is the aisle of shame. Shh. They get me every time. This past week, we went and they had 2 different kinds of weights. And I was like, girl, you don't need that. Stop. Every time I keep going in, they still have those weights. And I'm like, all right, next paycheck. Next paycheck. If it's still there, I'll get it next paycheck. I keep telling myself that, and they keep having it. So I'm really trying my best not to get them, because I really don't need them. But anyways, so let's really like dive into our last shopping trip. So we went to Aldi. I don't know if this is going to be even the right way. Total price, $73.23. $73.23 is how much it was. So our last trip to Aldi, we got those beginning of the month essentials. We got protein powder for $13.99, 2 pounds worth, which is an amazing deal. And it's comparative to, I don't know, I'll say in my little next part of the video. Powder, we got 3 pounds of quick oats. We got 3 pounds of white rice. We got 2.5 pounds of fresh turkey. And then we also got 3 pounds of the frozen tubes of turkey. We got chicken tenders. We got a ton of stuff. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat. So the things that typically we would buy in our, because we go shopping 2 times a week. We typically go on Sunday and we typically go on Wednesday. Those are when I meal prep because we only do the 3 days. For the most part, we have, it's typically $25 to $35 each trip that we go. This last trip though, what this whole video is about is the ability to get a ton of items for cheap. Healthy items at that. And that is the point that I want to really get across, is you definitely can eat healthy for cheap and not compromise the quality of items. There are a lot of theories out there that eating healthy is too expensive. And I get that. I do. I was one of those people that thought, I can't eat healthy because it's easier to go to the store and go get one of those freezer meals that you toss in the oven. I used to be that person. I'm not gonna lie. So honestly, the ability to go to the grocery store, get $73 worth of food, and honestly, that's a lot of food. So the most expensive item on our grocery list this past time that wasn't expected because I read the sign wrong, so it's a little embarrassing. I thought I was getting zucchini for $1. No, I thought I was getting 2 decent sized zucchinis for $2.49, which I'm like, oh wow, that is a great price for these big honkin' zucchinis. Girl, let me tell you, it was $2.89 a pound, and they ended up being a pound and a half for the little container. So it was $3.81. I'm like, dang it, like what the heck? But that's okay. So let's really dig into our receipt. Here is our haul for $73.23. Typically, it's not this pricey when we go shopping, but this trip around, we did get those beginning of the month essentials you won't buy every trip. We got eggs for 67 cents, and then we typically do buy meat every shopping trip just because we make it that same day. If there's a deal, we'll buy more and we can freeze it. But this trip around, we did get those essentials. So we got this protein powder that was $13.99 for 2 pounds. The serving size is 2 scoops, and it's supposed to only last 18 servings, but I know for a fact I'm only going to use 1 scoop, so this will definitely last me all month. The next thing on the list is the rolled oats. That is for overnight oats. It is 2 pounds, and we got it for $2.39. We won't have overnight oats every night, but this will last all month as well. The next thing is the zucchini. We were wrong on the price just because I read the sign wrong, so it was a little bit pricier than expected, coming out to $3.81 each pack because I didn't know it was per pound. Then we got our frozen broccoli flowerets. Pop them in the microwave, you're good. The next thing is our white rice. That was 3 pounds for only $1.99. That is a great deal. Then we got berry medley. It was a 16-ounce bag for $1.95, perfect for smoothies. And the next on the list is actually organic baby spinach, which I'm very excited about. It was only $2.69. And then back to those eggs. They are large eggs, 67 cents for 12 of them. Perfect for hard-boiled eggs or scrambled, whatever you want to do. Then we got 2 pounds of green beans. There was a difference between this one and then there was another one at the store where the ends were already cut off for an extra 50 cents. I'm going to go the 2 pounds with the ends still on for $1.59 to save that money. But anyways, so onto the fruit spread. It's a decent sized fruit spread for $1.99. We got honey for $2.89. I use that on my toast. Butter, which is very comparable to the Land O'Lakes canola oil spreadable butter, $2.15. This was the best deal. We got frozen ground turkey that is comparable, exactly the same as the fresh, just frozen. It is a whole pound and only $1.89. That is a great deal because honestly, you could get 3 of those for a pound each at $1.89 to be $5.67. Well, the fresh ground turkey was $6.49 for only 2.4 pounds. So what you're going to do is you're going to go get those freezer turkeys and you're going to save that money because guess what? It lasts. Pop it in the freezer, you're good. The ground turkey that's fresh is always good, but I'm always going to go the frozen. Then we got hard salami. I saw this when I walked in the door and I was like, yes, protein. It was a little bit pricey. It was $4.99 for 1 whole pound. And then we got our chicken tenders. It is 2.27 pounds, about 12 tenders, at $2.79 a pound. It came out to be $6.33. Then we got everything bagel seasoning. My mom got this. It was $1.89. Italian seasoning for only 95 cents for our zucchini and turkey meatballs. Then we got the Aldi brand pasta sauce for only 85 cents. What a great deal. And then we got the Aldi brand breadcrumbs for only 89 cents. So for all the people out there that say it's not possible to eat healthy on a budget, if you have a store like Aldi's or Woodman's where they are not really discount stores, but you know that they have amazing deals, definitely check it out. I was able to get a week's worth of food, saying my ground turkey and my chicken tenders were for 3 days, and then the other 3 pounds of frozen turkey that I got was for the next week, starting on, Sunday. Yes, Sunday meal prep. It's a great deal. And then of course we got those essentials, the rolled oats, the 3 pounds of rice, the protein powder, which I know for a fact will last me at least a month, just because even though the serving size says to do 2 scoops, I always only do 1 scoop, just because I know my body can't handle that much protein in that sitting. But anyways, so I hope you enjoy my first Aldi haul video, and yeah, you can expect more of these because our typical budget is $25 to $30 when we go, and we typically go on Sundays and Wednesdays, so keep an eye out. You'll see videos for Aldi hauls on most likely Mondays and Thursdays, and then you will see meal prep videos on Mondays and Thursdays as well, most likely, because I always record my meal preps as well, and I change the recipes for the most part every week. I do like to repeat because I do have my favorites, so just keep an eye out on that. And if you like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. I would absolutely love that. And yeah, Goose and Maverick say bye!